A weight loss friendly breakfast can be both nutritious and delicious, supporting your health goals. Breakfast is everything, the beginning, the first thing, that is the commitment to a new day, a continuing life. Today I am very excited to share my beloved recipe, the timeless combination of garlic bread and green salad. So without further delay, let's dive into the recipe. First and foremost, I'll slice all the bread. Simultaneously, I'll blend grated garlic with partially melted butter, adding a dash of salt and chili flakes, creating a garlic butter mixture. The next step involves toasting all the bread pieces to perfection before generously spreading the prepared garlic butter, creating a flavorful delight to savor. Transitioning to the creation of the green salad, I'll gather vibrant vegetables such as lettuce, cherry tomatoes, cucumber and sprouts in a mixing bowl. Mix them well with olive oil, lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Now with both the garlic bread and green salad prepared, my breakfast is a delightful and flavorful feast ready to be served. Guys, also share me your breakfast recipe. What do you like most?